Welcome all. This video will show you how to install Netbeans and the execution of the Hello World program using Netbeans. To download Netbeans, go to Google and then type download Netbeans. Many links will open. In that you have to click Apache Netbeans releases. If it has been navigated to the home page like this, then you have to go to Download tab and click here. If you want to download older releases, then you have to click Find Out More. If you want to download the recent one, then the latest release is here. So you can download the latest version in this link. In this, there are so many links. The first one is Windows x64exe. So exe is the file name extension that denotes the executable file that can be installed in operating systems such as Microsoft Windows or DOS. So now I am clicking this download. So this is for Windows operating system. And then .pkg. Pkg means package. This is the file name extension that contains the packages of the software and other files to be installed on the operating systems such as Mac OS, iOS, and then some PlayStations. And then the third one is .deb. This DEB file format will contain the software packages that is useful for Debian Linux distribution and its derivatives also. So derivatives means it is different kind of Ubuntu flavors. So the example for that is Ubuntu Server, Ubuntu Unity, Ubuntu Mat, Lubuntu, Ubuntu, and etc. The last one is RPM. RPM package is the package which is the baseline format for Linux standard base. So from this you can understand your OS is Windows, then you have to download here. If your OS is Mac, then you have to download the second one. And then if your OS is Debian Linux distribution or otherwise any Ubuntu package, Ubuntu servers or any Ubuntu based operating system, then you have to download third one. And then the Linux standard base means then you have to use this .rpm package. Download completed. So let us open this. Now to install Netbeans, double click this Windows X. You have to make S. Let me close this. So the base IDE, Java SE, Java EE, everything will be there. So to install, click Next. Accept the license agreement. Click Next. If you want to change your file program path, you can change it. I am not going to change it. So I am going to click Next. Now click Install to install Netbeans. Installation completed. Click Finish. To open Apache Netbeans IDE, click on the icon. It will open. In that, sometimes the IDE will not execute all the programs. So before that one, you have to activate some plugins. So go to Tool and then click Plugins. Here in the installed, you click Java SE and then activate the plugin. Activate it. Click Finish after activation, and you can see here. Now click Close. Now, to execute a program, first you have to create a new project. Click New Project. Here you have to click the Java with and. Don't go with Java with Maven. Instead go Java with and. Click Java application and then click Next. Here you have to give the meaningful name for the class. So whatever file name, whatever class name you are giving, the same if you give it as the file name, it will be easy for you to execute. The first one is Hello World is the program I am going to execute. So name of the project is Hello World. When I change here, you can see the main class also will be changed. So after giving this, click Finish. Now a new project will be created here. So the navigator will be there, and then project file services will be there, and the file what you have created will be in this part. Now you can understand Hello World is the package, that is the source package. The source, within this source package, a folder is there called Hello World. In that, hello world.java is the source file, and the same source file will be listed here. The content of the source file will be listed here. Let us leave this package. Now you can see whatever I have given as the project name, it is the class name. So it is easy for you to execute it. Normally in Notepad, you have to type class hello world, open brace, public static void main, and then within bracket string args, and then open brace, and then within this main function you will write the code system.out.println within course hello world. In this, S should be the capital letter, and then the string S should be capital letter. So end with semicolon. Now here, go to File, click on this Hello World folder. You can see here two more subfolders are there, NB project and SRC. SRC means it is source file. When you click the source file, one folder Hello World, that is this project Hello World, one folder has been created. Inside that project only, package only, this class has been created. So this Hello World Java file is in this Hello World folder. Here you don't have dot class file. Dot class file is the bytecode file. So now if you compile this program, you can see here There is no other build folder here. When you compile, can you see a build folder has been created? When you click this build folder in the classes, in the hello world, there also one hello world folder has been created. When you click this hello world folder, you can see hello world.class. So the bytecode file has been created. Before compilation, this bytecode file has not been created. After compilation only, the bytecode file has been created. That means when you click this run button, it automatically compiles the entire program, creates the bytecode, and it interprets this bytecode, and then it displays the output. I am sorry, I have made a mistake. Instead of hello world, spelling wrong. So now one more time I'm running. So it will override and then the output will be displayed in output panel. I hope you have understood the basics. Thank you.